The Rutan Quickie represents a remarkable lineage of home-built aircraft that originated from the experimental aviation renaissance of the 1970s. Its conception dates to 1975, when aviators Tom Jewett and Gene Sheehan envisioned developing an exceptionally economical single-occupant airplane powered by an extraordinarily modest power plant. Pursuing this objective, they contacted Burt, already recognized for pioneering aerodynamic approaches, requesting he engineer an airframe around an 1.8 horsepower Onan industrial power plant. Rutan delivered an unconventional solution, a tailless Canard configured design featuring two lifting surfaces of comparable dimensions, arranged in a tandem biplane-inspired configuration. The occupant and fuel positioning centered near the aerodynamic balance point, permitting broad weight distribution tolerance with negligible trim adjustment requirements. Both aerodynamic surfaces generated upward force, enhancing operational efficiency. The primary undercarriage mounted at the forward canard's extremities, diminishing structural mass and mechanical complexity. The aircraft received its designation, reflecting both its velocity potential and diminutive proportions. The initial Quickie Model 54 completed its maiden flight in 1977 and achieved public introduction at the Experimental Aircraft Association AirVenture Oshkosh gathering in 1978, securing the outstanding innovative design recognition. The airframe employed composite fabrication, utilizing fiberglass materials and foam core elements, producing refined exterior surfaces and precise laminar flow aerodynamic profiles. The Canard incorporated the GU 25-5118 aerodynamic section developed by Terence Nonweiler. Though operationally efficient, this profile demonstrated vulnerability to precipitation, insect contamination, and fabrication precision variations, resulting in diminished lift generation at reduced Reynolds number conditions. Responding to substantial commercial enthusiasm, Quickie Aircraft Corporation established operations in Mojave, California in 1978. Eventually, market demand intensified for a dual-occupant variant. Through collaboration with Canadian designer Gary Lagar, Quickie Aircraft Corporation launched the Q2, followed by the enhanced Q200, incorporating a redesigned Canard aerodynamic section, elevated maximum weight capacity, and power plants reaching 100 horsepower Continental O200 specifications. These variants delivered superior cruising velocities and enhanced comprehensive performance compared to numerous equivalent home-built designs. Notwithstanding technical advancement, Quickie Aircraft Corporation encountered substantial obstacles: ground maneuverability complications, design characteristic sensitivities, and a significant product liability. Legal action generated severe financial pressure. Although judicial determination was ultimately reversed, the organizational damage proved irreparable. Following Tom Jewett's death in a separate aircraft incident, Quickie Aircraft Corporation filed bankruptcy proceedings in 1986. The Quickie narrative persisted beyond corporate dissolution. A dedicated constructor community continued refining the architecture, implementing structural enhancements, upgraded braking mechanisms, modified control connection systems, and safer aerodynamic profiles. Organizations, including the Quickie Builders Association, maintain technical documentation and distribute improvement modifications. Presently, Quickies maintain active operations globally, frequently restored or enhanced with contemporary power plants and electronic systems. Over 4 decades following introduction, the Rutan Quickie endures as an audacious demonstration of experimental aviation, merging aerodynamic creativity, composite material innovation, and sustained community dedication.